Hi, I'm Esther. Welcome to class. In today's lesson, we will review all the words we learned from Lesson 1 to Lesson 5. There will be a quiz for Lesson 1 to Lesson 5 in next class session. Let's start. 1. 一 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 up 上 down 下 big 大 small 小 people 人 wood 木 hill 山 mouth 口 work 工 middle 中 sun 日 moon 月 hundred 百 thousand 千 sky 天高去 come 來 run 走 walk 行 eat 吃 hit 打 laugh 笑 cry 哭 shout 叫 sing 唱 fly 飛 rise sing play 玩 or 換 buy 買 sell 沽 father 父 mother 母 older brother 兄 younger brother 弟 older sister 姐 younger sister 妹 female 女 field 田 force 力 I 我 you 你 also 也 she 他 he 他 stone 石 gold 金 needle 針 car 車 boat 舟 bag 包 heart 心 male 男 old 老 young 幼 first 先 give birth 生 scholar 士 soldier 兵 That's it for today's lesson. Remember to do your homework. Practice, practice, practice. Practice makes perfect. See you next class.